Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditya, and my project is on laptop prices, and I'll be analyzing it. And the data set was imported from Kaggle. This initial set of codes is importing the data set from Kaggle. As you guys can see, this is my data set, which consists of 1300 rows and 13 columns. These are the 13 columns which it includes. Coming to data cleaning, I have removed the screen resolution column, which has multiple strings, and so I couldn't plot the graph properly. Now coming to the duplicate parts, my data set fortunately didn't consist of any duplicate values, so I didn't have to handle those. The next, coming to this part of code, I converted the RAM and the memory, which was given in RAM also was in GB and the memory was in GB. I removed those so that I get an integer value to plot my graph more conveniently. Now coming to the plots, first one is the bar plot, which shows the laptop brands and how much laptop variety do they consist of. So as you guys can see, HP, Dell and Lenovo dominates the market with more than 250 different laptops with specification, and these are the other brands with lesser models. And to be specific, this data set is 3 years old, so all the analysis were done 3 years back and it is not current values. Now this is the pie chart of type of the laptop and the count of it. As you guys can see, the notebook dominates this also with more than 55% of laptops, and the least being netbook and workstation, which actually targets a specific number of audience. Now in this data set, the prices were given in euros, so I had to convert those into rupees. The conversion rate is given here. Moving on, the next plot is on type and the prices. As you guys can see, this is the prices of each type of laptops, and the more wider the plot is the more number of laptops, and those are their respective prices. Now this plot gives us the average price of each type, with the workstation being the highest with more than nearly 2 lakh price amount, and the netbook being the least, which offers a little specification than the others, and the blue bars indicates the amount of laptops in each type. Now this is a similar sphere plot. This is a scatter plot of weight versus prices. As you guys can see, the density or the amount of laptops which fall under prices of 1500 to 3000 is more, and also most of the gaming laptops fall more than 3000 weight, that is 3000 grams and nothing but 3 kgs. Yeah, this is the OS offered by the laptops. Windows 10 was the most popular one by that time, with more than 1000 laptops having that OS, and least being the Android. And there are also few laptops with no OS, which gave the users more option to choose the operating system on their own. This is a list plot of weight and count. So as you guys can see, within the range of 1500 to 2500, most of the laptops came into those weight, which is typically the weight of 15.6 inches of laptop with screen, and also there were laptops until 4 kgs, 4.5 kgs. This is a scatter plot of weight in each type. As you guys can see, gaming laptop has the more, and the netbook and ultrabook has the least, which offers more portability and also power station. This is a plot of RAM and prices. As you guys can see, the more the number of RAM that the laptop consists of, and the prices also respectively increases more. Then, so to conclude, this is the correlation heat map. As you guys can see in the bottom row, when the correlation of inches with prices is positive, and also the RAM, with the RAM having the most correlation value. So price mainly depends or mostly depends on RAM with while comparing with other specifications. So to conclude with, this is the graphs and the plots which gives us an idea about how the price increases or decreases with respect to the specifications of laptop. This can be used to analyze how the market is and what the consumers mainly focus on. So this can be used to um, decide which laptop to buy or for just general purposes to know about it. Thank you.